gotta do the best we can, my beautiful people. We gotta do the best we can. You know what I mean? You can't expect to be perfect out here in this element, you know? So let me know when the island's ready, Bojo.
Yeah, man.
First thing I cook outside, took cold Bojo. Yeah, that's the first time. That's how your lifestyle is legit. Bang, 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 bang. Yo, give me strength to face another day.
This is weather.
Carry on. Where's the face the elements? You know the vibes. Bang, yo. To carry on. Oh, my Lord, yeah. Oh, I'm fine. Deep, deep, deep. Where are we? Pastors. Good now. Yeah. Trying to you out of the line. Rather than be so wet. Yeah. And so I promise to serve thee with all my all. And I'm begging thee mercy. Lord, give me strength to face another day. Carry on. Yeah. Yeah. Give me strength, Lord Jackie can. Oh, my Lord, to serve thee with all my all. And I'm begging thee mercy. Lord, give me strength to face another day. Carry on. Yeah. Yeah. Give me strength, Lord Jackie can. Oh, my Lord. You say, you ready for the chingwang? The chingwang right so. Bang, 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 yo. Big up Cody. Bang, 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 bang. Shout out to Cody. Big up the Empress. You done know love and more love, Cody. You know what I mean? May God guide you and protect you and keep you safe on your journey. Let no one dampen your spirit. Bang, yo, Cody, you done know love and more love, Quid. You know what I mean? Blessings are more blessings. You know what I mean? Hope your Sunday is blessed. Hope the family is blessed. Hope the loved one is blessed. You know what I mean? So big up yourself today, Cody, on this wonderful Sunday. You know what I mean? Out here in the elements. You know what I mean? Keeping the vibes healthy and positive. Bang, yo, you done know love and more love. All right, boom. The aisle, up the aisle. The fire. Boom. So, you know, we got Bougie working over here. You know what I mean? Banks, yo, big up yourself, Banks. You done know. Blessings and blessings and blessings. Yo, Tyrone, bang, 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 bang. Shout out to Tyrone, big up yourself, my G. You done know. Love and more love, my G. What's going on, everybody? You done know. Big up yourself, my G. Manners and respect, manners and respect. You don't know, we are here in the elements. We are here in NYC, in the Bronx. You know what I mean? Holding a vibe on a Sunday, you know what I mean? In God's grace, you know what I'm saying? Cooking up a storm, you know what I'm saying? So big up yourself, my beautiful people, on this wonderful Sunday. You know what I mean? May God guide you and protect you and keep you safe. You know what I mean? And your loved ones safe. Bang, yo, you know the vibes. Bang, we there. You know what I mean? So boom, waiting for the oil. You know what I mean? Waiting for the oil to get ready. So, well, it got bubble up. It got bubble up right now. You know what I mean? So, Butcher got the fried chicken going. You know what I'm saying? You're using a spoon, but you know the vibes. You know the vibes. You know, you know the vibes. Woo! All right, boom. I'm trying to get some more gloves on. What's on the menu? Alright, we got on the menu. We got fried fish, bung. You know what I'm saying? We got fried chicken, bung. You know the vibes. We got boiled dumplings, some yams. You know what I mean? We got some corn cooking down in some coconut milk. You know what I mean? Keep it nice and mellow. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, keep it nice and simple today. You know what I mean? In the elements, you know what I'm saying? Try to get it done. Maybe we'll be done by 1 o'clock, you know what I mean? You know the vibes, you know what I'm saying? So we're going to try to get this fish on right now, waiting for the oil to bubble up, you know what I'm saying? Get the temperature rising so we start frying, you know what I mean? So we see how it goes. Hopefully we don't burn the fish or break it up or whatever, you know what I mean? So we're in the elements right now, you know what I mean? So we can't expect to be perfect and everything, you know what I'm saying? Fish is frozen right now. I'm seasoning frozen fish with frozen hands. I'm here. you know what I mean. You know what I mean? So anytime we face difficulties, my beautiful people, anytime we face hardship, you know what I'm saying? You just gotta keep going. You know what I mean? You just gotta keep going. You see me out here in the elements, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? You see me out in the elements, you know what I'm saying? Making